Hey everybody. So I've started to experiment with AI telemarketers, and I have a demo that I've done. So I've done my first real trial of it, and I'll show that to you in a few minutes. But before we get into the actual demo, I want to talk you through kind of why I'm doing this, the pricing structure that I've broken down, and everything. So I've analyzed every single aspect of this, right? And the bottom line is, it's way too cost effective for me to not do this. I mean, that's just the bottom line. So if I were to hire a US based telemarketer, I'd be looking at a minimum of $8 to $10 per hour plus some sort of commission structure. Just flat out. And then if I'm looking at, I've hired off of like Upwork and other sources for this type of talent, and then I'm looking at really a minimum of $5 per hour, like $5.50 per hour. And then you can go lower than that, but you're not going to find quality lower than that. I've tried. Even if you like increase the commission structure, they just won't do it. And then so what I've also found within that is you're really paying like double the hours. Like I like, so if I hire someone for $5 an hour, I end up paying $10 because I get like 1 hour. I get 1 hour of actual work for every 2 hours that they bill. So I might as well hire the American in that instance, right? And then, but so with AI, I've come up and I have this. I'll link a description to this notebook in the description of this video. This is a fully automated AI telemarketer, and then so this uses Google uses Google API. So you have to have Google credentials, and then this also uses Twilio for the dialer, and then so this is everything that you need, like fully automated, right? So what happens is you get calls, you load your dialer, the dialer calls out, someone picks up, the makes calls to the API makes API calls for the model translates and talks back and forth, and then you have your calls and everything goes through. With this AI setup, so what I have so far and what I tested is not the fully automated process, right? I wanted to see, like, can I get it cheaper? And then I want to look beyond this as well, right? Like, what's the bottom line that I can pay? And I mean, I can do it for virtually for free. Essentially, my costs break down to $20 per month for this in order to do what I can do and demo right now, and it's not the best. So I figure I need to make a few updates to my equipment. I need a better microphone, and I need a better microphone anyway for YouTube, so I've been holding that off. I'm going to do that anyway. So I'll get a better microphone, and I think better equipment is going to enhance this a little bit more. But there are a few things that I've noticed, two things in particular. One is there's this click, like click, 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 and if you're a receptionist, anything like that, like you've heard that click, right? And then you'll see in the demo, it's like once the receptionist hears that click for the second time, she clicks. Like it's, that's how, like, so I expect that. And then so my number one goal is to get rid of that click, and then also to, like, there's a little bit of there's too much of a lag in the response. And I think, again, that is tied more so to my equipment. I think if I fix my equipment, I'll fix that lag issue. And that's kind of my goal within that. But so with this being said and the setup, I'll show you my very first demo. It wasn't 100% success by any means whatsoever, but so you can see that it does work, right? This is, and if you want to, again, I'll leave a description to this collab notebook. And then so if you want a more professional installation, if you're looking, again, for this fully automated, and this fully automated solution is going to run you $2.40 per hour. That's the breakdown of it. And then so that's including full talk time to the Google API, and assuming that the Google API is talking for an hour and pinging for an hour, which isn't likely to happen, right? So your cost could be half that. I'm just telling, like, your maximum cost for this is going to be $2.40 an hour, which is going to be less than half of what you're going to be paying for even an overseas representative. And then so there's no reason to not do this because the quality of it is good enough. Like, I mean, you're comparing it again to overseas. If you're comparing this to overseas talent again, and like bottom of the barrel talent, like, it's like, this is really comparable already, like a bottom line, and it's 10 times cheaper. I don't understand why you wouldn't want to explore this option. And then so if you do want to explore this option more, you have questions about it, feel free to hit me up. And if you like this type of content, please like and subscribe. Thank you very much.
Thank you for calling Bolthouse Farms. Our menus have changed, so please listen to the following options. For generous brands, please press 1. For Bolthouse Fresh Foods, please press 2. Thank you. Thank you for calling Bolthouse Farms. Our menus have changed, so please listen to the following options. Thank you for calling Community Action Partnership of Kern. If you know your party's extension, you may dial it at any time. For a dial by first name, company directory, please press 1. For enrollment, please press 2. For human resources, please press 3. To leave a message in the general voicemail box, please press 0.
It seems we've reached another automated system. Let's try dialing another number when you're ready.
Okay, this is Emma. How can I help you?
Hello, Zamara.
Hello?
This is Max Smith from Applicable Grounded Innovations. How are you today?
Who's this?
Hi, Zamara. I'm Max Smith from Applicable Grounded Innovations. I'm reaching out to introduce our AI